How does Irish Gaelic differ from English in grammar and vocabulary? If you've ever found yourself in Ireland, you might have noticed that the way people speak English there is quite unique. But have you ever wondered how Irish Gaelic influences the English spoken in Ireland? Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about vocabulary. In Irish English, you'll come across words that are not commonly used in other English-speaking countries. For example, a cupboard in the UK is called a press in Ireland. Other differences include bacon being referred to as rashers, a pencil sharpener as a pencil parer, and trainers as runners. Another interesting aspect is the use of specific words for everyday items. For instance, police are known as Gardaí in Ireland. Even something as simple as entertainment or fun is often called craic in Irish English. Now, let's move on to grammar. Irish Gaelic has a significant impact on the grammar of Irish English. One notable difference is how questions are answered. Since Irish Gaelic doesn't have words for yes or no, Irish people often repeat the verb from the question to answer it. For example, do you have a pen would be answered with I do, and did you watch the movie with we did. Irish English also uses a unique way of emphasizing actions by repeating adverbs. You might hear someone say, he was a very, very handsome man, so he was, or we had a big beast of a session last weekend. The influence of Gaelic is also seen in the way verbs are used. For instance, instead of saying, I want to go, someone from a Gaelic background might say, I am wanting to go, which is a direct translation from the Gaelic structure, dha míg iarraidh. In terms of possession, Irish English uses phrases like, I am is on me, instead of I have. For example, my laptop is after breaking on me instead of my laptop has broken. Pronunciation is another area where Irish English stands out. The way the Irish pronounce the th sound is different from the British. In Ireland, it's often pronounced as D. This gives Irish English a faster pace and a distinct rhythm. Lastly, the use of certain expressions and idioms is unique to Irish English. For example, the phrase, who's your father? Might seem straightforward, but it reflects a deeper cultural and linguistic heritage influenced by Gaelic. In summary, the differences between Irish English and other forms of English are rooted in the unique history and cultural influence of Irish Gaelic. From vocabulary to grammar and pronunciation, these differences make Irish English a fascinating and distinct dialect.